Hey, so right now I was sitting in my truck. I was fucking sleeping because I got to work a little early. So I was fucking sleeping and then it was raining lightly. And then all of a sudden it started fucking raining like hard, like really, really, really hard. And I'm like, oh fuck, this is nice, dude, you know? It's fucking raining, it's cold. And I was listening to the sound of the rain hitting my truck. But then my body started fucking with me. At that fucking moment, I had to go fucking pee. I'm like, oh my god, dude. Why are you doing this to me right now? Let me continue sleeping. Let me enjoy the rain. Nope. Dude, that urge to pee was unbearable. I was like, oh my god. And I couldn't go outside the truck because it was fucking raining hard. I'm like, oh dude, if I step outside the truck to take a piss outside, I'm gonna get fucking wet. So I couldn't take it anymore. I got off the fucking truck. I fucking ran to the door of my job. I fucking ran and I'm fucking knocking and nobody opens the fucking door. And I'm getting fucking wet and then I had to take a piss. I'm like, oh, what the fuck, dude? And it took them a while to open the fucking door. But by that time, I got fucking wet, dude. I got soaked. Just a little part that didn't get wet because of my neck. But I got fucking soaked. I love the rain. I love it. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you what happened right now. I hope it rains all fucking day, man. This is what we need. A nice, rainy Christmas. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You're getting wet. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Aren't you cold? Hey, buddy. What's up, man? Get inside your shell. Oh, yeah, I just saw lightning. God damn, I just saw lightning right now. No joke. Oh, fuck.